Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the AI as a dietitian on the Ask AI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Slide to the right side and tap on health and nutrition and click on dietitian. Here you can find the default instruction. As a dietitian, I would like to design a bodybuilder recipe for 2 people that has approximate 500 calories per serving and etc. Feel free to customize this to your own preferences and your own needs, and when you are done, type in the send button on the right side and you will get the dietitian suggestion in a few seconds. As you can see, it's now being generated, marked by the 3 dots icon down below. So you should wait a few seconds. So here you can see the recipe meeting your requirements. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.